Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I made this inner tube bra that I wore underneath my backless bubu gown. This bubu dress is trendy, and one challenge with backless outfits is wearing bra. If you wear a regular bra, it is going to be showing at the back and it can ruin the look of the outfit. So instead of struggling with wearing bra, I decided to make a simple inner tube bra that provides support to the bust area, especially if you are very busty. If that sounds like what you're interested in learning how to make, then you need to watch this video till the end. Before we start, please do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and drop me a nice comment. Now let's dive into the tutorial. The first thing to do is to take your over bust to under bust measurement. And to take your over bust to under bust measurement, place your tape at the fleshy part of your breast to under your bust, just like you see me doing in the video, and then note the measurements down. Now I'll fold the fabric that I want to use to make the inner tube into two. I'll mark down 1.5 inches as allowance for inserting of elastic, and then go ahead and draw a straight line. Now I'm going to go ahead and mark down my over bust to under bust measurement that we just took the measurement. Mine is 6.5, so I'll go ahead and mark down 6.5. Now I'm going to add extra 1.5 inches as allowance because we are going to be inserting elastic at the top part and at the under bust. On the top part of the fabric, I'll mark down my bust circumference divided by 4 plus 2 inches is. Then on the down part of the fabric, I'll mark down my under bust circumference measurement divided by 4 plus 2 inches is. Then go ahead and connect the 2 points and also cut out just like you see me do in the video. I will double fold the top part of the fabric and stitch on, as well as the down part of the fabric and also stitch on it in order to create casing for passing of the elastic. This is what it looks like after stitching. I want to cross check my over bust to under bust length to make sure that it is correct. Now the next thing we are going to do is to insert elastic into the casing. To cut out elastic for the top part of the fabric, I'll divide my bust circumference by 2, then take off 4 inches from the measurement. Because the elastic is stretchy, I want it to stretch into my bust measurement. Then for the down part of the fabric, I'll divide my under bust circumference by 2 and also take off 4 inches from the measurement, and then cut out the elastic. With the help of a safety pin, I am going to pass in the elastic into each casing that I've created for the top part and also for the under bust part. After passing in the elastic, I will also secure the edges to prevent the elastic from sliding into the casing. Now this is what we have. The next thing I'm going to do is to mark down 1.5 on my fabric, which I'll use to make a strip for the back support. And for the length of this strip, I will mark down my under bust circumference plus 2 inches. Then go ahead and cut it out. Now I'm going to go over to my sewing machine and fold the strip into 2 and stitch on it in order to create casing for the fixing of the elastic. After stitching, you will use a fabric turner to turn it over to the right side. Now to insert the elastic into the casing, you will use your under bust circumference measurement, divide by 2 minus 4 inches, and then go ahead and pass in the elastic into the strap. I will also secure the edges of the elastic to my fabric using my sewing machine. Now I'm going to pin the strap to the down part of the tube, that is the under bust area. I'll pin the strap on both sides of the inner tube and then go over to the sewing machine and stitch it down. After that, I'll also pleat the 2 sides of the inner tube to meet the under bust area, just like you see me doing in the video, and then stitch on the pleats to hold it firmly. After stitching, this is what I have. You can see that it is still very stretchy and it can firmly give support to the bust area. Now the next thing we are going to do is to attach it to the backless bubu dress that we made. I'll get the bubu dress and turn it inside out so that we can attach the inner tube to the front panel of the bubu dress. Now I will get the middle point of the front panel of the bubu dress and also get the middle point of the inner tube and mark them down. Now I will cut out a strip of about 5 inches which I will use to join the inner tube to the bubu dress. Then at the middle point of the inner tube, I will pin the strip down and also pin the strip on the front neckline of the bubu dress, just like you see me doing in the video, and then go over to my sewing machine and stitch on. After stitching, this is the final look of the inner tube bra. If you would like to learn how I made this bubu dress, just tell me in the comment section and I'll send you the tutorial. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. Turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Bye!